How to get back deleted messages on TikTok. First of all, you need to open up the TikTok application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on Inbox. This is your TikTok chat list. Here, you can view all your chats on TikTok. Now tap and hold the chat you want to delete from here and swipe left. Then tap on Delete. Now go to the bottom panel again and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now go to the top right corner and tap on Menu. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Here, select Account. Then tap on Download your data to get a copy of your data from all the TikTok apps you use. After that, go to Select Data to download. Here, you can choose the data you want to download. Select Custom. Then select Messages. This includes direct messages you've sent and received. After that, tap on Done at the bottom. Then tap on Request data to back up your account or export it to other services. Once your file is ready for download, you will find it in the Download Data section as shown. Tap on Download beside the file. Here, verify your account to download the data. Following these steps, you can easily get back deleted messages on TikTok.